Welcome to the AKKO Partner Portal. This is an overview of the Settings tab. Here you can see the different information associated with the administrator of the account. This is a pretty short and sweet video, but I'll show you how the buttons work. Some of the settings are actually locked, so when you click into edit, you can only edit some of the fields on here, such as the name and the email. You can update your password with the red button down at the bottom. And you can edit your PayPal information over to the right. When you're finished with your session and you'd like to log out of the portal, that button is within the Settings tab all the way down at the bottom of the page. And if you ever need any help with anything, you can always reach out to a live team member from Partner Support by clicking the blue icon down at the right.